Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to change the X app icon. First, open up Play Store, go to search and search for icon changer. Tap on this app. You need to install this particular one, so tap on install. Once the app is downloaded, then open it. Tap on agree. On the search bar, search X and select the X app. Tap on image and select the Twitter icon logo. I have given the link to download this logo in the description below. Tap on the image and then tap here to confirm it. Tap here to rename X as Twitter. Then tap on Done. After you are done with all this, tap on Use and then tap on Add. Now you can close the app and see the Twitter logo changed. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.